What is the main theme of the poem? कविता का मुख्य विषय क्या है? Answer is life.
Where do people ride taxis? लोग टैक्सियां कहाँ चलाते हैं? Answer is city.
What do people ride in underground? लोग भूमिगत में क्या सवारी करते हैं? Answer is train.
What do people do when it rains? जब बारिश होती है तो लोग क्या करते हैं? Answer is hide.
What do people wear on their heads? लोग अपने सिर पर क्या पहनते हैं? Answer is cap.
Where do people hurry in and out? लोग जल्दी जल्दी कहाँ अंदर बाहर जाते हैं? Answer is shop.
What do people do in elevators? लोग लिफ्ट में क्या करते हैं? Answer is ride.
What do people do in the subway? लोग मेट्रो में क्या करते हैं? Answer is read.
What do people do when they're happy? जब लोग खुश होते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? Answer is smile, मुस्कुराओ.
What do people sometimes do without looking at others? कभी कभी लोग दूसरों को देखे बिना क्या करते हैं? Answer is hurry, जल्दी.
Fill in the blanks. People ride taxis round and blank. Answer is city.
People on the subway underneath the blank. Answer is ground.
People with their hats on, going in the blank. Answer is door.
People with blank when it rains and pause. Answer is umbrellas.
People in tall, blank, and in stores below. Answer is buildings.
Riding blank up and down they go. Answer is elevators.
People walking blank. Answer is fast.
People laughing blank. Answer is smiling.
Grumpy blank too. Answer is people.
People who just hurry and never blank at you. Answer is look.
Give the answers in true or false. The poem describes people moving at different paces. कविता विभिन्न गति से आगे बढ़ रहे लोगों का वर्णन करती है. Answer is true.
All the people in the poem are walking. कविता में सभी लोग चल रहे हैं. Answer is false.
The poem takes place in a small town. कविता एक छोटे शहर में घटित होती है. Answer is false.
It never rains in the city described in the poem. कविता में वर्णित शहर में कभी बारिश नहीं होती. Answer is false.
Everyone in the poem wears hats. कविता में हर कोई टोपी पहनता है. Answer is false.
People never talk to each other in the poem. कविता में लोग कभी एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते. Answer is false.
The poem only describes people who are happy. कविता केवल उन लोगों का वर्णन करती है जो खुश हैं. Answer is false.
Everyone in the poem is always in a hurry. कविता में हर कोई हमेशा जल्दी में रहता है. Answer is false.
People on the sidewalk are the only ones who are walking. फुटपाथ पर लोग ही पैदल चल रहे हैं. Answer is true.
The poem mentions people using two forms of public transportation. कविता में सार्वजनिक परिवहन के दो रूपों का उपयोग करने वाले लोगों का उल्लेख है. Answer is true.
People only go into buildings when it rains. बारिश होने पर ही लोग इमारतों में जाते हैं. Answer is false.
The poem describes people in different locations within buildings. कविता इमारतों के भीतर विभिन्न स्थानों पर लोगों का वर्णन करती है. Answer is true.
Everyone in the poem is moving in a group. कविता में सभी लोग एक समूह में घूम रहे हैं. Answer is false.
The poem is a celebration of the diversity of people in a city. यह कविता एक शहर में लोगों की विविधता का उत्सव है. Answer is true.